When you end up with more than you started, you have positive return. And sometimes investing can lead to losses, which is negative return. We cover this in risk returns in another video. In some countries right now, their interest rate is less than zero. You heard that right. If you invest in a government bond or money market fund in these countries, you heard me, Germany and Japan, the rate is guaranteed negative and you will end up with less principal than you started. So what kind of upside down world are we living in where your investment is a guaranteed loser for choosing a less risky investment? Look, to become a good investor, you must make decisions. And you must make those decisions with your money or your capital. That's the term we're going to use, capital. In finance, it's not money, it's capital. And you make these decisions based on your expected returns. To conclude our 5-minute overview, remember, when you're allocating capital, you're investing based on the premise of future positive returns. This has been Finance in 5 series Returns. Like and subscribe so we can keep making videos and help people just like you become better investors.